Hello everybody, my name's James here with First Updates Now here at the First of Michigan Calvin University event here with team 4377, the Boyne City Blaze. Here with me to talk about this awesome robot is Ethan, Elizabeth, and Ben here on Behind the Bumpers.
This video on First Updates Now is made possible by viewers like you and also the following sponsors. If your team is using SolidWorks, make sure you log into the 3D Experience platform to gain access to tutorials, collaborate with other users, and download the Charge Up Field and Kit Up parts. Go to solidworks.com/first and click on Log into 3D Experience platform to gain access. The Charged Up competition season is here. We have a ton of live Twitch and YouTube content coming to you. All of our uploads and archives, including shows, behind the bumpers, Finalysis, and more, are available at youtube.com/firstupdatesnow. Check out all of our live shows on Mondays and Tuesdays at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow.
Hi there, I'm Ethan. So just starting up front here, we changed out our motors from the original Everybot to a Neo 550. And we have our electrical running all the way down and through this tube to get down to our boards down here. We also had to switch from just rope to steel cable and from surgical tubing to actual springs. Down here we have a stainless steel rod that we use instead of the aluminum rod because we had to switch out down here for a tough box instead of the 90-degree gearbox that the Everybot uses. So this whole thing is chain drive. And we also did a bunch of custom pneumatic work that Elizabeth here will talk about in just a sec. We also call this the Mantis because we figured it looks like a Mantis's arms when it comes out. So we have a picture of that on there. And now Elizabeth will talk about the pneumatics.
So with our pneumatics, we decided to have part of our pneumatics is this moves down, and we drive forward. And when we drive forward, once a cone is on it, the pneumatics lift up, and then for the cone, it's on there, and then that pneumatics goes up, and then that goes back first, and then that goes up and collects it into there, and then we go back out, and then that's how we place it. With our pneumatics is we have this. This is what knocks over the cone so we can put it on the thing. And then also, inside our robot, there is a kickstand. So when we go to balance on the charging station, once we are balanced, that goes down and stays there. So when our alliance members drive, they hit the ramp and we stay in the exact position, and then they climb on and it levels out for us to be able to have the balance. And this wouldn't be possible without our coding guys, so I'm going to hand you over to Ben.
Hi, I'm Ben. I do the coding, and probably the biggest change we've made from the Everybot is we added a camera so that the driver can see how he's lined up with the cone, so the little finger in the back there can line up. Our Auton currently just places a cone on the top row and then backs out of the community. By our second competition, we're hoping that it will do that, back up, grab another cone, and place that on the middle row. We have, for vision, we have a Raspberry Pi over here, which connects to a camera here that we're going to use to line ourselves up with the poles on the grid, and this camera here that, like I said, is used for the driver to line up with the cones. And that's pretty much everything that we changed.
Awesome, thank you so much, Team 4377, Boyne City Blaze. So many cool modifications to the Everybot on this awesome robot, doing great here at the Calvin University event. Can't wait to see how you do the rest of the season. Thank you for watching Behind the Bumpers and have a great rest of your day.
This video on First Updates Now is made possible by viewers like you and also the following sponsors. If your team is using SolidWorks, make sure you log into the 3D Experience platform to gain access to tutorials, collaborate with other users, and download the Charge Up Field and Kit Up parts. Go to solidworks.com/first and click on Log into 3D Experience platform to gain access. The Charged Up competition season is here. We have a ton of live Twitch and YouTube content coming to you. All of our uploads and archives, including shows, behind the bumpers, Finalysis, and more, are available at youtube.com/firstupdatesnow. Check out all of our live shows on Mondays and Tuesdays at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay up to date on our new videos. Keep the conversation going and provide your input to our content. Watch our live shows at twitch.tv/firstupdatesnow. Join our Discord at discord.gg/firstupdatesnow and check out Fun FTC on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and First Updates Now on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter.